Hey everyone! Birthdays are very special and they should always be filled with surprises. Today I'll be showing you how to make a hat-shaped cake in a pinata form. This is for a girl who loves her hat. So let's get started. Here we have melted dark chocolate. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate and spread it all over. Remove the extra. Freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. Get on with the second coating. Remove the extra and freeze it again. Unmold the chocolate dome carefully. Take chocolate sponge cake. Trim the edges. Layer the cake. I am putting chocolate ganache filling. Seal the sides with ganache. Nice gooey cake is ready. Now fill it with goodies and any surprise element you want. Place the dome over it. Getting on with fondant work to give a complete hat look. I am using brown fondant. Roll it out to a thin long band. Use corn flour well to avoid the fondant from being sticky. Stick the fondant band to the cake board, running it around the chocolate dome. Do some patchwork if any gaps are remaining as shown. Trim the edges. Using the stitch tool, give some design to your hat. Roll out some pink fondant and cut a thin ribbon with the help of a wheel tool. Stick it around the dome. Make some fondant flowers to decorate a pretty edible chocolate hat. Stick it with the help of water. Our lovely pretty edible hat is done. I am summer ready. Are you?